Tax time can have a significant impact on your bottom line, a positive one if you're getting a tax refund. The IRS says it sent refunds to more than 78 million taxpayers, totaling over $200 billion so far this tax season. Sharon Epperson joins us now with more on where taxpayers are putting their refund money this year. Sharon, lucky for those people who are getting refunds.
It is a very lucky day for them.
Tell us a little bit about what is the average refund? How much money are we talking about?
Well, right now we're talking about the average refund for 2013 as of April 5th is $2,755. Now, this compares to about $2,800 last year and over $2,900 in 2011. So the average refund is coming down, but we are looking at a lot of people who are very happy to get that amount of money.
Why is it coming down, Sharon, and what are people doing with it?
Well, it's coming down, of course, because perhaps because a lot of people who are underemployed are not earning the same amount that they were, and maybe they're not getting the same refunds. But we are also looking at, we are not all the way through this filing season and through the refund season yet, and those 2012 and 2011 numbers were for the full year. So we still have some time. Maybe some of those big checks are still waiting to come in.
And what are they doing with the money? Are they saving it? Are they spending it?
Well, you know, if something has changed in the last year. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants did a survey, and they found that 43% of those who said that they're getting a refund this year are saying they really need it, much more than they did in years past. And this is because of the payroll tax hike. They're saying they really need it to really cover everyday expenses. So what they found is, while the majority of people are saying that they're going to save this money, there are a lot of people who are saying that they're going to use this money for day-to-day expenses, and then some that are saying that they're going to use it for paying down their credit card debt, and a much smaller percentage that are actually looking at long-term goals like saving for college or saving for retirement.
What's the best thing to do with a refund?
Well, the best thing to do is prioritize, Tyler, like we always talk about. You really need to really set out your financial goals. That's Financial Planning 101, and really start to figure out what you need the money for. Basic expenses, of course, you have to make sure that those are covered. And then you also want to make sure you have an emergency fund. So many people forget about that key part of their financial plan. And then also paying down debt. Those are the three areas where really people focus on, and when they have money left over, then they can decide what they want to do with it.
Well, speaking of that, so let's say that you paid down your debt and you put money in the emergency fund, you did all your expenses. Is it okay to use some of that money for fun, for a vacation or something special?
Well, I definitely believe in fun money. In my book, The Big Payoff, I talk about you got to have some fun money. But the thing is, you also want to think about some of these long-term goals. And this is a great time to really jumpstart that retirement fund, to really add to that college savings plan, to perhaps make an extra mortgage payment. And so if you can, that may be a good way to use that big chunk of money. The bottom line is, though, actually, you don't want to get the big refund. That's what a lot of people don't realize. You want to change your withholding allowances so that you get that cash in your pocket all the time, so that you can save regularly or spend regularly if you need to.
All right. Sharon, that's good advice. Thanks very much.